Today we're featuring a 2015 Honda Civic LX. It's a certified Honda. It's got 23,000 miles on it. It's alabaster silver in color. It's got a clean CARFAX One-Owner. I'll go ahead and walk around the vehicle with you. Make our way up the driver's side here. Everything's in good shape there. Alright, it is equipped with a rear backup camera. Make our way down the passenger side. This vehicle's in great shape. The exterior of the vehicle well taken care of. Let's go ahead and take a look on the inside. Got the two-tone door panels, the black with the gray cloth, power locks, power windows, gray cloth driver's seat. Cloth's in really good shape. No issues at all there. It does come with 2 keyless entry key fobs. Passenger seat looks good. Alright, no problems there. It is an automatic. It's got your auxiliary and power outlet, climate controls, AM/FM CD player, and then your backup camera will be on display right there, and we'll show you that in a second. It also has steering wheel audio controls and Bluetooth. Alright, we'll go ahead and check out your mileage. I'm going to engage the backup camera for you, give you a shot of that. Alright, it's got 23,718 miles on it. And I'll go ahead and pan back a little bit now that we've got the car started. I'll let you kind of see how it's lit up on the dash. Okay, it's got your digital speedometer there as well. Your AM/FM CD. And your climate control area. We've had the AC running now for a few minutes. Everything blowing nice and cold there. Alright, let's go ahead and step in the back. Take a look at your back seats. Back seat looks good. Run down the back seat cloth here for you. But everything looks like it's in great shape. Not a wrinkle in the cloth. Really well taken care of on this certified Honda. 23,000 miles on it. Let's go ahead and take a look at your trunk space. Got the nice hard plastic protective mat back here. Everything's nice and clean. I'll step to the side so you can see the depth. A ton of room in the Civic. Let's go ahead and check out your wheels and tires. Let's see, we got 15-inch steel wheels, plastic hubcaps on there. Okay, tires are still in good shape. Plenty of tread left on them. Alright, once again, it's a 2015 certified Honda Civic LX, 23,000 miles on it. It's got a clean CARFAX One-Owner. It's in great shape, well taken care of. So come down, check it out, take a test drive, and thank you for watching the video.